Hi, real achievers and real ones. Welcome to my channel. So, I have a tip for the week. Well, let's get started. Let's dive in. So, as you can see, I have a digital planner that I want to show how you need to budget before your upcoming work week so that way you can be successful while you're at work with your nutrition. So this is actually a mock income that I'm using just for the purposes of this video. But as you can see, based off of this income, this person has $3,000 that they got paid, whether it's monthly, weekly, bi-weekly. So what this income is saying that this is what you have to work with for that pay cycle. So if your rent is due, you want to go ahead and pay out, allocate that you're budgeting, that you're paying out your rent. You're paying your light bills. You're paying your car insurance. You're paying your gas for your household, cell phone, whatever falls in that pay cycle, you want to allocate for it. Now, if you are a person who loves to save, and if you're saying you're going to save $250, budget that out, that $3,000. Now, here is where I want to focus on. I want to focus on the variable expense. The variable expense is the expenses that don't have a set amount. It's something that fluctuates. You don't know what you're going to spend for whatever it is that you are purchasing or something that just randomly comes up. This is what this is. This is where your grocery bill lies. I'm going to say this. If you are a household of two or more, I would suggest that you have budget two separate amounts for groceries. If you look at this, it's showing that the home grocery is budgeted for 300 and for yourself you're budgeting 150. Here's the reason why. If you set aside money for yourself for your grocery items, that means for that work week, you should have something to eat Monday through Friday or whatever your work schedule is. There is no excuse because the money for the home is food that you're knowing that everyone is going to eat. So that would not hinder you from in being able to make sure that you're on your nutrition for that work week. That is my tip for you for the week. All right. Please remember like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.